Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one that is about the constant. So you got 0. This one we have 1 over 2 with the square root of s. Because we don't have negative number 3 over 2 in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change by u. The s over the square root of s we change by this one. So we have the final answer in here. About u, that is about this one. Next, this one divided by s, number 7, divided by number 7. So we have like this. And now we have the final answer, the integration of s. We have s squared over 2. The next one that is about ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. Number 7 and number 2 we have 14. This is the end. Thank you for watching.